Namaste everyone. On behalf of the school management, all staff members of Sri Natesan Vidyasala, I take a privilege, my dear children, to welcome you all. Namaste everyone once again. I'm happy to meet the student council members of the academic year 2019-20 and the newly selected student council members of this academic year 2020-21. We wish all of you all the very best in all your endeavors. Our Natesan Vidyasala is known for the activities, and right from June, in spite of facing this pandemic situation, nothing has been stopped in our school. All our activities have been going on, though not physically, it has been going on virtually. So that shows how keen we are and how motivated and encouraged we are to do whatever activity that we have been doing all these years. So we thank the God Almighty for having made everything possible. And like every year, we also conducted the interview and the selection for the council members this academic year through online. And we shortlisted, we are very thankful to all the children. Many people opted, many people gave their nomination, and we shortlisted and we had an interview. And after the personal interview, the following students, the students who are here with us, they have been selected for the various posts. So we congratulate them and we wish them all good luck. And at this juncture, I would like to record my thanks to the last year's team, which has done a wonderful job in all the activities around the clock. And they have been very supportive. They have been encouraging the juniors, and come what may, they were not compromising on academics also. They were round the clock working for the school. So I would like to record my thanks to each and every one of you, my dear children, of the last academic year's council. Like, you did a very good job. May God bless all of you in all your future endeavors and keep rocking like this. All the very best. Now I would like to invite school people leader of the last academic year, PM Siddharth, to say a few words.
Namaste to one and all. I am PM Siddharth, the school pupil leader of the academic year 2019-20. I am so thankful to the school management for giving me this opportunity that I was able to bridge a great bond with my juniors as well as my fellow council members. I am so glad that I had an opportunity to enrich and develop not only my leadership skills but also a lot many. I hope that I have not disappointed my school, and if so, kindly excuse us. I wish all the very best to the newly selected SPL K. Shreya of this academic year 2020-21 and the entire team. I'm so happy for you all. Have a great year with great coordination and hope you would render a great support to our school and lead our friends in a great way. Thank you.
Thank you, Siddharth. Now we invite Diksha, school people leader of the last academic year, to kindly speak on this occasion.
Namaste. I'm Diksha, the SPL of the academic year 2019-20. I'm thankful to the school management for this wonderful opportunity. I wish the school pupil leader of this academic year, K. Shreya, will grab this opportunity and groom herself better. But keep one thing in mind, that team spirit always wins. So be as a team and rock the session. Thank you.
Thank you, Diksha. Thank you very much. Now I call upon Vidula, assistant school pupil leader for the last academic year, to say a few words now.
Namaste. Myself, Vidula. I was assistant school pupil leader of the academic year 2019-20. There was a lot of takeaway and had a great learning experience during my leadership. I had an opportunity to coordinate with my fellow students. I thank the management for having given me such a wonderful opportunity to develop my leadership skill. And all the very best to the current assistant school pupil leader, Pratiksha. I hope she'll do the best for our school. Thank you.
Thank you, Vidula. Now I invite Ilakia Rani, the assistant school people leader of the last academic year, to kindly give some words.
Namaste. This is S. Ilakirani. I was ASPL of the academic year 2019-20. I got a golden opportunity to interact and serve my school. I'm thankful to the school management for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I wish and congratulate ASPL K. Praviksha of this academic year 2020 to 21 to do her best, and my best wishes to the council team. And also I thank to the council members for supporting during my tenure. Thank you.
Thank you, Ilakia. Now I invite Dinesh, Sports Secretary for the last academic year, to say a few words.
Namaste, I am Dinesh. I was Sports Secretary for the academic year 2019-20. I am thankful to the school management for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Due to this pandemic situation, we are unable to have Sports Secretary for the current year. I hope we will have all the physical activities happening in our school very soon. My best wishes to the new council member. Thank you.
Thank you, Dinesh. Now we invite Cecilia, the last year's Sports Secretary, to speak on the occasion.
I'm Cecilia. I was Sports Secretary for the academic year 2019-20. I'm thankful to the school management for giving me this opportunity. Due to this pandemic situation, we don't have Sports Secretary for the present Student Council. I am sure that we all will be meeting in our school and we will have all physical activities like all these years. And my best wishes to the present Student Council members. Thank you.
Thank you, Cecilia. Now we invite the last year's Cultural Secretary, Sweta, to speak on this occasion.
Namaste, I'm G. Shweta. I was the Cultural Secretary for the last academic year 2019-20. I thank my school for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And I gained some experience taking part in all the cultural activity and being the master of the ceremony. And I'm happy that R. Harni is going to be the Cultural Secretary for the current year. I wish her all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, Sweta. Now we invite P.C. Sumega, the last year's Cultural Secretary, to speak on the occasion.
Namaste everyone. I'm P.C. Sumeha. I was the Cultural Secretary for the last academic year 2019-20. I am thankful to the school management for giving me this wonderful opportunity. As the Cultural Secretary and as the member of the Student Council of the last academic year, I have learned how to work as a team by taking part in all the cultural activities. I'm very happy that this year our school has selected R. Harini as the Cultural Secretary and PM Sarasija and E. Mahalakshmi as the Assistant Cultural Secretaries. My best wishes to them. I hope they will do their best. All the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, Sumega.
We are very happy to have our Assistant Cultural Secretary of the last academic year, Veronica, with us on this induction ceremony. She is here to speak a few words to the newly selected council members of this academic year.
Namaste, I'm Veronica. I would like to express the thanks to the school management and the teachers for the wonderful opportunity which was given to me. It was a wonderful learning experience. I wish the current assistant cultural secretaries Sarasuja and Mahalakshmi all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, Veronica, for your nice words. Thank you.
Thank you, my dear children, for coming here and wishing the current council members. We are very, very happy and we record our thanks to you all. Now, coming to 2020-21 student council members, now I invite K. Shreya, school people leader of this academic year, to kindly speak.
Namaste, I am K. Shreya. I have been selected as the school pupil leader for this academic year. I thank our school management for providing me this wonderful opportunity. I will surely give my best. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreya. Now we invite Praviksha, the assistant school pupil leader.
I am Praviksha. I have been selected as Assistant School Pupil Leader for the current academic year 2020-21. I thank our school management for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I will render my full support and cooperation for my school. Thank you.
Thank you, Praviksha. Now we invite R. Harini, the newly selected Cultural Secretary.
Namaste to all. I'm R. Harini. I feel so glad that I have been selected as the Cultural Secretary. I want to thank my school management for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I hope that I put my full best on what I'm going to do. Thank you.
Thank you, Harini. Now we invite Sarasija, Assistant Cultural Secretary, to say a few words.
I am Sarasija. I am the current Assistant Cultural Secretary of this year 2021. I am very thankful to our school management for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I will participate in all cultural events and support the teachers both physically and virtually. I will do my best. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarasija. Now we invite Mahalakshmi, the newly selected Cultural Secretary, Assistant Cultural Secretary, to say a few words on this occasion.
Namaste, I am as Mahalakshmi. I have been selected as the Assistant Cultural Secretary for the current academic year 2020-21. I thank my school management for giving me the wonderful opportunity. I will do my best and I will work hard for it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mahalakshmi. Now it's time for our induction ceremony. First, we call upon the school people leader, K. Shreya, to take the oath. I,
K. Shreya, do solemnly swear that I will diligently execute the position of school pupil leader to the best of my ability, uphold, promote, and support the ideas and activities of our school, Sri Natesan Vidyasala. I will proudly lead my peers and openly listen to their concerns. Throughout the academic year, I will render my support to our teachers in both virtual and physical classrooms. I will try to prove myself in academics, social skills, and work habits and be a good role model to my juniors. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreya. Now we invite Praviksha, Assistant School Pupil Leader, to take the oath. I,
Hey Praviksha, do solemnly swear that will diligently execute the position of Assistant School Pupil Leader to the best of my ability, uphold, promote, and support the ideas and activities of our school, Sri Natesan Vidyasala. I will proudly lead my peers and openly listen to their concerns. Throughout the academic year, I will render my support to our teachers in both virtual and physical classrooms. I will try to prove myself in academics, social skills, and work habits and be a good role model to my juniors. Thank you.
thank you, Praviksha. Now we invite R. Harini, the Cultural Secretary for this academic year, to take the oath. I,
R. Harini, do solemnly swear that I will diligently execute the position of Cultural Secretary to the best of my ability, uphold, promote, and support the ideas and activities of our school, Sri Natesan Vidyasala. I will proudly lead my peers and openly listen to their concerns. Throughout the academic year, I will render my support to our teachers in both virtual and physical classrooms. I will try to prove myself in academics, social skills, and work habits and be a good role model to my juniors. Thank you.
thank you, Harini. Now we invite Sarasija, Assistant Cultural Secretary, to take the oath. I,
PM Sarasija, do solemnly swear that I will diligently execute the position of Assistant Cultural Secretary to the best of my ability, uphold, promote, and support the ideas and activities of our school, Sri Natesan Vidyasala. I will proudly lead my peers and openly listen to their concerns. Throughout the academic year, I will render my support to our teachers in both virtual and physical classrooms. I will try to prove myself in academics, social skills, and work habits and be a good role model to my juniors. Thank you.
thank you, Sarasija. Now we invite Mahalakshmi, the Assistant Cultural Secretary, to take the oath. Mahalakshmi. I,
Mahalakshmi, do solemnly swear that I will diligently execute the position of Assistant Cultural Secretary to the best of my ability, uphold, promote, and support the ideas and activities of our school, Sri Natesan Vidyasala. I will proudly lead my peers and openly listen to their concerns. Throughout the academic year, I will render my support to our teachers in both virtual and physical classrooms. I will prove myself in academics, social skills, and work habits and be a good role model to my juniors. Thank you.
we have completed our induction ceremony, and may the God Almighty bless the last year and this year's team of council members. All the very best in life, and may their services continue wherever they are. And may God Almighty bless you with all the energy, good health, and good prosperity, happiness, and peace. Thank you, everyone. God bless us all. Thank you.